This channel is strictly for viewers ages 18 and up. I do not use or promote the sale of illegal drugs or harmful substances. This video was recorded in California, a legal recreational state under the laws of Prop 64.
What it do, baby? Yeah, you already know.
You niggas ain't shit, and I ain't capping. Your bitch you let me hit, she said that I'm a savage. I pull up with a stick and let you niggas have it. You can get wet up and shot like a basket. Bitch, I'm a star, no you can't take no pictures. DM stay open to all of your niggas. You can get rolled up and smoke like a swisher. Eat on it, cook like it was your last dinner.
YouTube! Hi YouTube. What is good, guys? You already know it's your girl King coming to another YouTube video, whatever, man. Hey, how you doing? We're cooking with King. You already know the vibes. Oh. What is good, guys? You already know it's your girl King coming to another freaking YouTube video. Obviously, by the title of this video, today we're making chicken tacos. I don't know why you guys told me to do this one. This was very like simple and random, but you know what? I like the quick little chicken tacos. You know, I'm a little fried and laid to the side. And you know what time it is? It's 10:37 right now, so this is a late night cooking, like a late night cooking thing. We should just make this a series. Cooking with King late night cooking with King. Ooh, late night cooking with King cooking series, bro. Yeah, comment down in the comment section below if you fucking with that, man. But listen, if you are new here, you already know what to do. Subscribe to the channel one time for the one time and turn on your post notifications, man. Make sure you guys are hitting all notifications. If you're already part of the gang, give this video a big thumbs up one time for the one time. And I'm gonna need for y'all to comment down if y'all watched the last video or not, because y'all be acting a little shy. And if you haven't watched that video, I don't know what you're doing, but pause this video, go watch the other one. Go watch the other video. Go watch the other video. I'll be back when you get here. Alright, to everybody that's up to date, we about to get into this video one time for the one time. What the? Alright, from the last video we did a chicken sandwich. A perfectly cooked chicken sandwich. But today we're gonna make some chicken tacos, okay? So I told y'all that we was gonna use the same meat. I put it in the bag, you know what I'm saying? So it was sitting in the Frigidator, so it's now time to use it. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put some oil in this pan, one time for the one time like we always do. This is our favorite, handy, lucky, I cook everything in this fucking pan. Okay, so we're gonna put some, turn that on. If you're wondering what the hell I put the seasonings, like what seasonings I put in this, go watch the chicken sandwich video, guys, and they have the ingredients on what I use to season this chicken, okay? So come back and then I don't have to go through all of that stuff. I feel like my building is slanted because the shit, the oil just be going all the way to the end of the pot, like going that way. You know what I'm saying? I would end up in the building that's slightly slanted as myself. Gay joke. Okay, okay. Alright, so we're gonna wait for our chicken to cook up one time for the one time, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna see you guys in the next second because it's gonna take a quick second, you know what I'm saying? Okay, what you want to do now is cut your piece of your chicken up. I got something on the way, in the works, in the mix. Trust me, okay? We're going over to the hand cam, alright? Hand cam. Now that you got your chicken, you want to cut it up. So now we back. We got our chicken all cut up like this, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna put this back on the fire. When they get our taco seasoning. we wait for that to get thickened up a little bit, now you want to start preparing your eggshells. You want to start preparing your taco shells to go in the oven, you know what I'm saying? So we can start making this taco look all nice, you feel me? Alright, now that this is starting to get thick a little bit, you want to make sure you stir and oh yeah, this is it. Alright, you're going to let that sit for a couple of minutes because you're going to be working with some hot ass taco shells. And now we're going over to the goddamn hand cam. What happened, some technical difficulties. I struggled making this look like this, okay? But this is my favorite part when it comes down to this. So now what you want to do is you want to get your cheese. And you want to start building your tacos accordingly, okay? You know what I'm saying? You're gonna get your cheese, you're gonna get your taco, and spread it on thy thingy, okay? And then you're gonna have a whole bunch of cheese on there. Get the other taco. Alright. It's giving a mess, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Are we trying to eat or are we trying to look cute? I don't know which one are you trying to do. Going on here, yes. Yes, perfectly. You could just work just like that. Okay, now what you want to do, you want to get the lettuce and just put it across the taco as such. Put it across the taco as such. Yes, just like that. Yep. Just like how you see it. Take some of this for the side tacos that we have right here. Yep. Just like this. You're probably like wondering like, King, that's just like a chicken and lettuce sandwich. Basically. Okay? Basically. So now what you want to do is get your sauce. Sauce. Alright. Now get you a spoon. Now put it like that. Alright. Get you some more. Put it in the other taco as such. Okay. Put it on the sides for that taco. Put it on the side. Alright. Now you want to get your sour cream. Okay. You like to mix it all up because you don't want to have the freaking wetness of the sour cream. Alright. And what you want to do is, yeah, right on top like that. Yep. Just like that. A dollop. And a dollop. Here we have our messy King tacos. You're probably wondering, King, what the hell's going on here? I'm about to show you in a quick second. I'm about to show you what these vibes are. You feel me? Look at this. Messy King tacos, okay? Let's go. We done hit our favorite part of the hour. We just did the easiest freaking chicken tacos known to man right quick. You know what I'm saying? These are King's messy chicken tacos, okay? These look fantastic, okay? I don't know if I want to dive into what's on the side first or do I want to dive into the actual taco first. But let's get into this. I'm so excited to get into it. You know I'm ready for the taste test. Let's see if I'm gonna rock out with these with my cock out, okay? It looks delish. Yeah. Yeah, it looks delicious. Come on, get into it. Get into it. You know you want some. Okay, you ready? You ready? Y'all ready? Did you give this video a big thumbs up? Did you give the video a big thumbs up? If you haven't, do it. Do it right now. Do it because you know it's gonna hit. Hurry up! Smash the thumbs up button. What are you waiting for? You ready? Okay, cool. Let's go. Bro. I did it again. I did it again. Oh. Mm-hmm. Want some? You want? Let me know if you want some. Come on. Let me know if you want some. Open your mouth. You know the vibes. Open your mouth. Alright, come on. There we go. Yes, get into it. Come on. Put it on your lips. Well done. You know what I mean? I'm gonna eat 7 of these. Give me 7. Give me 7. Oh. That was obviously a sweet, short, simple, small little video that you guys could do when you're late, got the munchies, you want to make something real quick. Make some quick chicken messy tacos, okay? Come back to this video after they made the messy ass tacos, man, and let me know what the vibe was, man. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumbs up. If you made your way all the way to the end of this video, comment down in the comment section below your favorite type of taco and what kind of other tacos you want to see me make other than chicken tacos. I don't eat beef, so I will have to have my friends try it. And also, let me know if you want to see me start cooking for my friends. Like, I cook it, and then they'll taste it, and then let me know what it's hitting for, okay? You know the vibes, you know what I'm saying? I'm so excited about that. Oh my God, I'm so happy, man. Yo, I just want to say shout out to y'all. We done hit 17,000 subscribers, bro. Everyone that subscribed to my channel, you are the GOAT. You are the best. I freaking love you and I appreciate you, bro. It's only up from here. Road to 20K, bro. I'm just like so freaking excited and so geeked for what this year have in store for us, bro. Comment down what you want to see King cook next, man. I'm out of here, man. Peace and happiness. Make sure you guys stay black. Here I go. Walkie slide.